Okay, hello everybody. I'm Israa, English teacher at ITEC FAYOUM. Today's lesson is lesson for second year speaking skill. Okay, the lesson title is Table Reservation Part 2. Let's make a quick revision for the last lesson. Mention some expressions used in booking a table. Last time we have learned many expressions we can use it while making a table. Then, how can you offer or ask for more food or about food? How can you offer or ask about food? Also, we have learned many ways you can use while offering someone more food. As we have to mention in the beginning our objectives. Firstly, we have to learn what you should or you shouldn't do while making a table reservation or booking a table. And then we're gonna do some exercises. Warm up. Okay, that's an exercise for you just to warm up for our new lesson. Please complete the dialogue by using the words in the box below. At the end of the slide, you have many words like reservation, evening, dining, prefer, request, and both. Please complete the lesson with these words. Okay, and you have 5 minutes to complete it quickly. Okay, let's continue. When making a reservation do. While making a reservation, we have some steps you have to do it. Firstly, have all the information ready. Then, you have to prepare your information before going to call a restaurant to make a reservation, which is mean your name, the number of the people who is going to make a reservation for, and the time actually. Then the step number 2, call if there are any changes or modifications. The word modifications, it means it changes. If you change your mind, you have to call the restaurant before going. If there are any change in your plan, you have to call the restaurant before going. Okay, that's number 2. Number 1 is have all the information ready. Number 2, call if there are any changes or modification. Number 3 is keep your reservation time, especially for large parties. What does it mean? It means that you have to be on time, especially if you are a big group or people. Okay, so why when making a reservation do what? You have 3 points, you have to mention it. Firstly, have all the information ready. Second point, call if there are any changes or modifications. Number 3, keep your reservation time, especially for large parties. Okay, let's continue. When making a reservation, don't do the coming list. First one is don't make reservations for more people than you are. Which is mean you don't have to make book a reservation for a number which is 5. And in fact, you are 4. So you have to make a reservation for more people than you really are. Number 2, be wishy-washy about the time. Be wishy-washy about the time, which is mean don't be late about the time, care about the time. Number 3, blame the hostess for the restaurant's reservation policies. Don't ever, never blame the hostess for the restaurant's reservation policies. Okay? For example, some restaurants didn't give an access for pets like dogs or cats. So you have to respect the policies of the restaurant and the reservation. Number 4, threaten the restaurant. Don't threaten the restaurant, which is mean don't threaten the restaurant by any mean or any way. Okay, if you don't like the food, you can write a comment, you can write a feedback, but don't threaten the restaurant. Okay, the last point is hang up before giving all the information and expect to have a reservation. Okay, don't hang, or don't close the phone. Don't close the phone or hang up before giving all the information. You have to go with the person or the waiter or waitress. So you have to give all the information before closing the phone or before hang up the phone. Okay, answer these questions. What should you do when making a table reservation? And what shouldn't you do when making a table reservation? Okay, now let's say this track, or let's listen for this track together and answer the following questions. We have a track and we're gonna listen for it right now and answer the question. But before listening for the track, you have to read the questions quickly. Okay, you have 1 minute to read the questions. Okay, let's listen.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to EnglishClass101.com. This is Beginner Season 2, Lesson 21, Making a Dinner Reservation in English. David here.
Hello, I'm Kelly.
In this lesson, you'll learn how to reserve a table in a restaurant. The conversation takes place over the phone,
The speakers are strangers.
so they will use formal English. Okay, let's listen to the conversation. Adam's Restaurant. How may I help you?
Hello, I'd like to reserve a table for tomorrow night, please.
Certainly. For what time?
About 7 p.m. if possible.
How many people are in your party?
There are 4 of us. One person is vegan, though.
That won't be a problem, as we have many vegan dishes available. So that's a table for 4 at 7 p.m. May I take your name, please?
It's Katrina. Thank you for your help.
Now, after listening to the track, you have to answer the questions. Okay, answer it by your own. Let's continue. Here is your home assignment. Rearrange the situation to understand it. Here we have some sentences and you have to make it in order. Make it in order or rearrange it, or to give a meaningful situation. That's your homework. I wish you do it. Bye next time, inshallah. Okay, thanks for watching. See you soon, inshallah.